Let's begin Lesson 11 with Unit 1 and walk through the unit together. Don't forget that by Lesson 11, your listening abacus should be at around the plus sign. Again, if it is not, make sure you inch your way up unit by unit until you do reach the top, the plus sign. If you can do top speed, go for it. Have fun. If you can do it, do it. Don't skip the lesson because you still need to expose your eyes to that visual of the abacus. But if you could do it fast and give top scores, go for it. If you can't, no problem. We can pick up speed on lesson 12. Lesson 11 can be at about the plus sign and you could still do very well. If you're still a bit sticky with plussing into the 100s, don't forget, do all the reading first and then try the listening. Okay, let's start with Unit 1 of Lesson 11. So we start with 61 and now plus 98. We first have to add 90. We cannot add 90, so we take away 10 and add 100. And now we add the 8 of 98. Now we have to add 74. We don't have 70 to add, so we could take away 30 and add 100. And now add the 4 of 74 minus 6, add 10. Now plus 18, first add 110, and now add the 8 of 18. We take away 2 and we add 10. Because we can't add 10, we add 5 tens and minus 4 tens. 61 plus 98. We cannot add 90 because we don't have space. So we take away 10 and add 100. And then we add the 8 of 98. Now plus 74. We can't add 70, so we take away 30 minus 50, add 20, and then we add 100. Now we have to add the 4 of 74, so we minus 6 and add 10. Now plus 18, so we add 10 first. We add the 10 of 18, and then we add the 8 of 18. We cannot, so we take away 2 and add 10. 5 minus 4 tens. And our answer is 251. 45 plus 62. 45 plus 62. To add 60, we take away 4 tens, so 40, and we add 100. To add 2, we just add 2. Now we add 59, so we add 50 first, then we add 9. We cannot add 9, so we minus 1 and add 10. And now minus 34, so we have to take away 30. We minus 50 and add 20. And now we take away 4. We minus 5 and add 1. And the answer is 132. Here we have 28 plus 51 plus 74. We add 70 here, we add 4 here. We cannot add 70 because it's full, so we have to take away 30 and add 100. We take away 30 minus 50, add 20, and we add our 100. And now we have to add the 4 because it was 74. So we take away 6 and we add 10. To add 10, we add 5 tens and we minus 4 tens. And now we have to add 68. To add 60, we take away 40 by minusing 50 and adding 10. And then we add the 100. And now plus 8. To plus 8, we take away 2 and we add 10. Answer, 221. 74 plus 24, 5 minus 1, plus 68. To add 60, we take away 40 and add 100. To add 8, we minus 2 and add 10. And now plus 85. To add 80, we take away 20. We take away 20 by minusing 50 and adding 30. So to plus 80, we take away 20 and add 100. And then we have to plus 5, which is minus 5, and add 10. 50 minus 40. Answer, 251. 91 plus 79. We add 70 here and 9 here. To add 70, we take away 30 and add 100. To add 9, we take away 1 and we add 10. Now plus 87. To add 80, we take away 20 and add 100. And then to add 7, we have space, so we just add 7. Now we take away 36. We could take away 30 from the 50, so we minus 50 and add 20. And now we can take away 6. And the answer is 221. 87 plus 95. To add 90, we take away 110 and add 100. And to add 5, we take away 5 and add 10. Now minus 39. We just minus 30, and then we have to minus 9, but we don't have minus 9. So we have to minus 10 and then add 1. Now remember, we don't have a minus 10 from here, but we can take the 10 from the 50. So minus 50 add 40 is minus 10, and then add the 1 for the 9. Now we do plus 64. So we take away 40 and add 100, and then we add 4, which is 5 minus 1. And the answer is 207. Okay, here we have 64 plus 73. So to add 70, we take away 30 and add 100. And then to add 3, we add 5 and minus 2. Plus 89. To add 80, we take away 20 and add 100. To add 9, we would minus 1 and add 10. Now minus 22, so we take away 20, and we take away 2 from the 6 by minusing 5 and adding 3. Answer 204. 79 plus 82. To plus 80, we take away 20 and add 100. To plus 2, we minus 8 and add 10. Minus 16 is 2 steps. First, we minus 110, then we minus the 6. So first, let's minus the 10. Now let's minus the 6. We can't minus the 6. We don't have space. We don't have a 6. We only have 1. So to minus 6, we have to minus 10 and do 6 down. Or minus 10, add 4. So let's minus 10, minus 50, add 40, and now 6 down. And the next number is plus 53, so we add 50 and we add 3, and the answer is 198. 32 plus 97. We take away 10 and add 100. Now we plus 7. Now plus 21. We add 20 and then we add 1. We cannot add 1. So we take away 9 and we add 10. To add 10, we add 5 tenths minus 4 tenths. Now we add 83. To add 80, we minus 20. So minus 50, add 30. That's how you minus 20. And add your 100. And now plus 3. Answer 233. 23 plus 85. To add 80, you take away 20 and add 100. And then you just add the 5. Now 57. 50 and 7. We don't have 7. We don't have space for 7. So we take away 3 and we add 10. And now plus 86. To add 80, we have to take away 20 and add 100. So to take away the 20, we have to minus 50 and add 30. That's how you minus 20. And then add your 100. And now plus 6. Minus 4, add 10. Or 6 up, 10. Okay, so we do 6 up and 10. But we don't have 10, so we add 5 minus 4 tenths. 251.